Hello and welcome to a new episode of a series called Let's Brunch. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted tomato and herb ricotta tart. This is one of my favorite recipes for the summer, not only because it's made with some great Italian ingredients, but also because it's very easy to make and to impress your guests. Let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit because we are going to bake our tomatoes. I'm using a combination of herbs here, like black pepper, garlic, parsley, oregano, and dried onions. Add some salt and drizzle with some extra virgin oil. Just give it a stir. And then bake for about 30-40 minutes. Let's make the tart. Get some frozen puff pastry. Thaw, dust with some flour, then roll out slightly more on a piece of parchment paper. Make your own if you are so inclined, but frozen puff pastry sheets work perfectly for this recipe. Then, using some parchment paper or a ruler to guide you, score the pastry with a knife to create an outer crust. Just be careful not to cut all the way through. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Live workshops or video recipes are posted for you every week. Don't worry if rolling affects the shape of the tart a little bit. Just form it back into a square the way I did. Lightly beat one egg to make an egg wash. Move the tart into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And brush it on the edges of the tart. Pierce the inside with a fork. And bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. Now that our roasted tomatoes are ready, just let them cool on the counter. Ah, they look and smell so good. Once the crust is fully baked, let it cool first, then using a fork, gently push the inside back down. Time to make herb ricotta filling. Using some good Italian ricotta cheese, combine Parmesan cheese, a little bit of pepper, the delicious sauce from the roasted tomatoes, salt, and combine all those ingredients together. Using a spoon or a spatula, spread the cheese mixture over the crust. Add the roasted tomatoes on top. Some shredded Parmesan, fresh basil, adjust with more salt and pepper. Then finish with a drizzle of good quality balsamic vinegar glaze for a little more spark. And here you have it. Let me know if you like this recipe and what you think in the comment section below. And for more recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next week with a new video. Thank you for watching.